Hey guys, welcome back to Brick and Connect Builds. I'm Dad.
And I'm CJ. Today we're going to be a little wicked and do some wicked BrickHeadz. The BrickHeadz we're going to do today are Elphaba and Glinda. There are 325 pieces. Okay, let's unbox it. Six bags and instructions. Let's get started. The BrickHeadz were easy build, but the hair was a bit challenging since there's a lot of details on the hair. But I do like Glinda's hair because it's in like a half up, half down ponytail, and I just think it's really cute. I also like the crown because of the gems. I also like her wand, it's so pretty, and I love the detail on the wand. And I really love Elphaba's hair. It's in a cute ponytail, and I love her hat, it's so cute. But I also like the broom she has. But I really like the hands, they're really creative. See the hands right there, they're really creative. I also like the way they did the ears. Even though they look like elf ears, they could make them a bit shorter, not long, but it's really cute and I like it. This was not challenging for me at all. They were really easy to make and they're really cute and they turned out really great. I like it so much.
And that's the BrickHeadz Elphaba and Glinda build. At 325 pieces, $20. I think if you're a Wicked fan, I think this is a great addition to your collection. CJ seemed to really enjoy the build.
Yeah, it was really fun to build.
So comment down below if there's any Wicked sets that you guys like to build.
If you like this build, hit that subscribe button.
Until next time guys, thank you.
Bye!